Hello friends. So under the course Basic Electrical Engineering, so today we shall deal with the topic relationship between line and phase voltage and expression of power for balanced delta connection system, delta connected system. So there is a derivation for this. In this derivation, we have to consider balanced delta connected load by supplied by three-phase source. So from this diagram, we can observe is that there is a delta connected load and it is supplied by three-phase supply, which is having the R, Y and B. Same points are connected here. In this, ERY and EYB and ERB, these three are the line voltages, and IR, IY, IB, these are the line currents, and IYR, IBY, IRB, these are the phase currents. So current flowing through the phase, current flowing in the phase, these are called as phase currents. And one more in this case is that this is the phase voltage ERB between R to B. Between R to B line, what is the line voltage? It is ERB. Between line R to B, we have line voltage ERB. Between R to B, we have the phase voltage ERB. Both are equal. Both are equal. That's why in case of delta connection, we can say that phase current is equal to line currents. We can observe others also. Other voltage also you can observe is that both are same. So same whatever phase we have is connected to line between the lines. That's why in case of delta connection, delta connection, line voltage is equal to phase voltage. Remember this one. Next we have in delta connection, line voltage and phase voltages are same. So relationship between line and phase current is observed by applying KCL to the point R. So voltages are same. So relation we can build with the help of currents only. So apply KCL. Apply KCL to this point R here. So what is the KCL? So current entering the line is equal to current entering the point is equal to current leaving the point in a closed path. So at this point R, so current IR is leaving and IRB is leaving, IYR is entering. So that is only written here. IYR is equal to IR plus IRB. So IR is equal to IYR minus IRB. So from this, what you can observe is that, so IR is the line current. So line current is the vector difference of phase currents. From this, you can observe is that line current is the vector difference of phase currents. Similarly, we can write, if you apply KCL for other 2 points, if you apply for a Y, if you apply for a B, we'll get these equations. So from these equations, what you can observe, line current is equal to vector, line current is the vector difference of phase currents. Likewise, we can observe here. These equations, whatever these equations we have got by applying KCL, so we can represent them in a using phasor diagram. Yes, so already you are familiar with the phasor diagram drawing. So just I have drawn the phasor diagram. You practice this in your home. So IR is nothing but it is the vector difference of IYR and IRB. IYR and IYRB. So IR is the vector difference of IYR and I minus IRB. So already this is we have drawn the phase currents we have drawn. So using that we have drawn the phasor diagram here. We can observe is that IR is the phase difference of YR and IYR and minus IRB. So how we have got minus IRB here? So how we have got minus IRB is here? So if you extend this IRB to this opposite direction, it will be minus IRB. So if you add with the help of what is that? So parallelogram theory. So we get the IR. So similarly, we have done for all three also. All three we have done this one. And angle between these phase currents. angle between these phase currents IYR and minus IRB is 60 degree. So already you know this one. What is the angle? It is 120 between IYR and IBY. And if minus IRB is cutting this exactly in middle, that's why it is 60 degree. 60 degree. So between IYR and minus IRB angle is 60 degree. So it will be helpful to write the equations, mathematical equations. So I am repeating here phasor representation. First of all, so we have to draw these phase voltages. First we have to draw the phase voltages. These phase voltage you have to draw. After that, so just make the vector difference, create the vector differences here. We'll get the values. So mathematically we can express like this. Only one phase is explained here. So other phases, no need to write. Already we have written this one. Just to similarly we can write that. So IR is equal to under root IYR square minus IRB square plus 2 IYR IRB cos 60. So this one, if you are familiar with the star, it will be much easy. So if you are familiar with the star connection derivation, it is very much easy. So that's why I'm telling you, first you practice star connection. After that, go for delta connection. In the star connection, we are using voltage. In delta connection, we are using the currents. So IR is equal to IYR square plus IYRB and 2YR IRB cos 60. Cos 60 means what? Angle between IYR and IRB. It is the angle between IYR and IRB. That's what we have 60 degree. So one more thing is important thing is that in case of balanced system, so all phase voltages are equal. That is, we can represent like a I phase. All line voltages are equal. We can represent like a IL. Is to replace in the above equation. So we'll get line current is equal to root 3 times of I phase. So similarly for other cases, so we have written like this. In delta connection, already we have observed this one. We can observe that phase and line voltages are equal. EL is equal to E phase. So EL equal to E phase. That's what we are representing here. EL equal to E phase in delta connection. So power expression. We can write for a three phase. For a three phase, it is same. So P is equal to 3 E phase I phase cos phi. So P is equal to 3 E phase I phase cos phi. But if you want to write in terms of line, so in this case we have IL is equal to root 3 times of I phase. Just to substitute that in this above equation, we'll get the equation in terms of root 3 ELIL cos phi. So whatever value we are getting, that is the in watts, because it is a power we are measuring in terms of watts. Just to summarize this one, so relation between line and phase values is EL for delta connection, EL is equal to E phase, I phase is equal to IL by root 3. So that's what we have written here. And power expression, P is equal to 3 E phase I phase cos phi. In terms of line, it is root 3 ELIL cos phi. So with this, we have completed the derivation. Thank you.